remember, the focus is now going to turn to the state of Jharkhand. What's happening there? Union Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi already decides to welcome Champai Soren. Champai Soren, a former Chief Minister of Jharkhand, associated with the JMM, to which now Jitin Ram Manjhi says, welcome to Champai Soren into the NDA fold. This is to the NDA family that not only a door has been opened, but literally welcoming him. Also adding here, Jitin Manjhi says, you're a tiger. You will always remain a tiger. Champai Soren looks like is at the brink of quitting the JMM. Now, what happened there? According to our sources, there was humiliation against Champai Soren, and that's the reason. Remember, Champai Soren, until recently, especially when Hemant Soren was taken in custody over the scam allegations, the land scam issue, Champai Soren took on the charge, became the Chief Minister. But it appears that was he forced out then as Chief Minister when Hemant Soren returned to the territory, he was released, because now Champai Soren has decided to announce a rebellion. Now, how much of it really will be an impact and will he be able to bring in more leaders with him into the NDA fold? Piyush Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Piyush, can we say that not many were expecting perhaps in JMM that Champai Soren would rebel and rebel in such a manner?
Well, actually, yesterday when Champai Soren landed in Delhi, he spoke to media and said that which means that he asserted that he continues to be in JMM. But after a couple of hours, he has put out a huge post where he has mentioned that how he has been humiliated, how he was not informed before calling for the meeting of legislative leaders. He has also said that he was removed from the chief post even without him. So there was some concerns over put forth by Champai Soren. But the various union ministers like Sanjay Seth, who comes from Jharkhand, Rishikam Dubey from Jharkhand, they are now welcoming Champai Soren in NDA fold.
All right, so that's going to be a big issue. Remember that we'll focus on precisely now. It's not just about, remember, Champai Soren's rebellion, but how does that impact coming in to the NDA fold? We'll keep tracking all the latest on this. So what's happening? It's Champai Soren at the brink of quitting JMM and joining the NDA because this buzz that a lot is happening within the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Champai Soren himself has claimed a big insult. So it's not just speculation. Champai Soren has put out an emotional, elaborate statement. And he has said he's been axed by the party, he's been stripped of powers as the Chief Minister and has faced bitter humiliation as a Chief Minister and has been forced to seek an alternative path. Jharkhand Chief Minister slammed Champai Soren. Meanwhile, Hemant Soren has attacked opposition BJP that they are poaching legislators now of the JMM. Union Minister Jitin Ram Manjhi also then put out a social media post. And very interestingly, he says, we're welcoming Champai Soren into the NDA family.
ये लोग गुजरात से, असम से, महाराष्ट्र से लोगों को ला करके यहाँ आदिवासी, दलित, पिछड़ा अल्पसंख्यक के ऊपर जहर बोने का काम करता है और एक दूसरे से लड़वाने का काम करता है। समाज तो छोड़ो, ये घर भी फोड़ने का काम करता है, पार्टी तोड़ने का काम करता है। आए दिन कभी इस विधायक को खरीद ले, कभी उस विधायक को खरीद ले। और पैसा ऐसा चीज है कि नेता लोग का तो उन लोग को इधर उधर घसीटने में उन लोग को देरी नहीं लगता है। खैर कोई बात नहीं।
When Hemant Soren went to jail, he made Champai Soren the Chief Minister, but he was Chief Minister just in name because he had to go to the jail where Hemant was lodged every now and then to take orders from the Hemant Soren and act accordingly. So he never had a free rein, even when he was the Chief Minister. And after Hemant Soren got bail, so Champai Soren was very unceremoniously and insultingly removed from the position of Chief Minister.
अगर हमारे हेमंत सोरेन जी चाहते तो इरफान अंसारी को मुख्यमंत्री बना सकते थे, हफीजुल हसन को मुख्यमंत्री बना सकते थे, बसंत सोरेन जी को मुख्यमंत्री बना सकते थे, कल्पना भाभी को मुख्यमंत्री बना सकते थे, और भी लोग हैं उनको मुख्यमंत्री बना सकते थे, लेकिन ऐसा उन्होंने नहीं किया। बनाया किनको? किस पर विश्वास किया? चंपाई सोरेन जी पर विश्वास किया। तो इतना बड़ा दिल मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन जी ने दिखाया, तो चंपाई सोरेन जी गद्दारी नहीं कर सकते हैं। और हमें लगा कि चंपाई सोरेन जी को चाहिए था कि जब मुख्यमंत्री जी छूट के आए तो उनके पैरों में इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए था।